The inspiration behind making our own books came from a desire to give our audiences something really personal. There's a big difference between the energy and the spirit that's gone into a meal or a letter or a book versus a machine-made product or a product that you buy at a giant company where you have no connection with the people that are putting the pieces together for you. This is a beautiful project to undertake because there are so many skills that are involved. There are social skills, there's a lot of hand skills, there's a lot of visual skills, there's a lot of creative skills in your imagination that's going into this process. And of course, fundamentally, there's literacy at work here, which is what we're all about.